What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we might have this movement to the upside, the third wave. And I've told you right here, if you want to catch this next leg to the upside, you can accumulate at this very point, but you should put your stop loss slightly below this range. And it is the downside potential of 3.11%. And as you can see, with this movement, with this breakout below this range of support, we eliminated this movement to the upside, and technically you could book your losses right here without any major losses that you probably might have even below this range. So this movement to the upside was eliminated, and I have to say that stop loss orders are made exactly for the purpose of saving your money, and this is the perfect example of this. So let's continue with the fundamental news, and let me show you why we have this massive decrease in its price. First of all, let me add the SPY index to this price chart, and let me show you that Lucid is mimicking the SPY index for basically 100%. As you can see, it has completely similar movements. And let me show you that right now SPY index is deeply in red, almost completely in red, the entire index, as you can see. And let me show you that other indexes are also deeply in red. Dow Jones lost about 2.11%, Nasdaq lost about 3.8%, Russell 2000 lost about 2.87%. And the crude oil, as you can see, crude oil gained about 5.37%. Definitely it is the result of so-called rug pull from Saudi Arabia that drastically reduces the oil manufacture and oil exports. So let me show you that right here you can see that we have an article that is titled Why Shares of NEO, Lucid Group and Lordstown Motors Fell Hard Today. And the key points are following. Hotter than expected economic data caused a rise in bond yields and a fall in cash burning stocks. The Wednesday reports marked a change from the softer economic data released on Monday and Tuesday. Expect more volatility for the young electric vehicle sector. And definitely this news shows that probably we have the general sentiment for the entire market. And let me show you that Lucid is not the only company that is deeply in red. As you can see, Lucid lost about 8.61%, Tesla lost about 6.32%, and I just made a video on Tesla. You can watch it basically today. And Li Auto, NEO and other EV manufacturers are deeply in red. So it is the entire industry and it is the entire market movement to the downside that caused this sell-off on Lucid. And let me show you that on official Lucid Motors website, we don't have any recent news that probably might drive the price of this company higher. The latest one was published on October 29th. And let me show you on their official Twitter page. We also don't have any mentions of some kind of fundamental changes. They have several tweets about their deliveries, the deliveries of their vehicles to new customers. And basically that's it. Nothing new. One studio that was opened in Sherman Oaks, California. So it is just ordinary work for Lucid Motors. But on the other hand, let me show you that lack of news definitely is not the bad news by itself. And this means the lower this asset goes with the entire market, the more opportunity we have in the long-term perspective. And let me show you the Lucid Motors LinkedIn webpage. Previously, I've showed you that this company had 4,376 employees on LinkedIn. I guess I am correct with this number, and right now they almost reach the 4,400 employees. So they are still growing. They added about 18 people during just a couple of days, couple of sessions, because I made my previous video not so long ago. And they still have about 12,500 jobs that are available for new workers. And this means this company is still growing, and I have to say that in the long-term perspective, let me switch to daily time frame and let me show you the bigger picture of this asset. In the long-term perspective, this asset has a very low prices. As you can see, it hit the range of support of previous swing low. And this means if this range holds, we might see the trend reversal. Otherwise, I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. But before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, Lucid is reaching the low $13 ranges, and right here we have the previous swing low that was at $13.25, and right now we are almost at the same range. And let me show you that if I switch to hourly time frame, we have the touch of this range, as you can see right here, and we have a small bounce to the upside. Definitely, we cannot rely on this bounce as the major trend reversal, but still, if you want to catch the next leg, and if you are risky enough, and if you rely on this, let me add again all the tools, if you rely on this previous swing low, definitely we have an opportunity to have a bounce from this lowest point. And as you can see right here, yes, unfortunately, technically we have this small blip below this range, and this means it is very difficult to rely on this range as the range of support. It was basically broken without any increase in volume. This means we might see a lower price action, and this means I think the only possibility for put your money into this company is to invest for the long period of time, because I think in a matter of next 12 or 18 months, this company might easily triple your money. And if you want to catch the trade, just wait for the confirmation of a new trend. We have to see higher highs and higher lows, and on the retracement with the tight stop loss we can add to the position in order to catch the next movement to the upside. Otherwise, just stay aside. And I have to say that SPY index is not so strong. It is approaching to its swing low right here, as you can see, at $357.3. Right here on the left side you can see the price of SPY, on the right side you can see the price of Lucid. And if SPY will bounce from this range, from its swing low, definitely we'll see a bounce for entire market. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,